Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you that how can we split a PDF with multiple pages into different files. So right now I have a PDF which has 4 pages, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 pages are there in my current PDF file and I want to split it into different files. So for this what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an online tool called ilovepdf.com and the link would be ilovepdf.com/splitpdf. In case you're not able to find this link, you can simply just Google the name of the tool, which is I Love PDF, and how to split the PDF. So once you do that, you will stumble across on this page. Here you can just simply click on the red button to select the PDF file. Once you select it, then you can specify that which range is for one file. So suppose I go with the custom range. So the first range is going to be like I want first and the second pages in that range. So I can simply say 1 to 2. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 would be my first range. Then I want the page number 3 to be in another range. So that means one file would be of page 1, 2, the second file would be of page 3 and the last file would be of page 4. So once I'm happy with this, I can just simply click on the split PDF option and it would allow me to download it in a zip file, of course, because these are 3 different PDFs we are trying to download. So let's just wait for it to complete the download and then we can finally see that how our files are looking. So now I can see that the download is complete. We can simply just open up the zip folder and we will see these 3 files over there. So if we open it, so here are the 2 pages and simply there would be 3 and the 4 pages. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.